Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today to share a viral makeup hack, and this is a blush hack. So if you love that bubblegum pink blush, that really intense blush look, then I'm going to show you today how I achieved that for myself and got that look after many times of trial and error and just keep trying different blushes, and I just kept trying different brushes. And I finally figured out and got it to work for me where I got that vibrant pink blush, specifically the baby pink blush. I think it's a little bit hard to get that look, being that it is a pastel type of blush shade, but it's just that it gives you this gorgeous bubblegum pink look. So if you love that look and you'd like to achieve it for yourself, then just keep watching. Now, I had purchased so many different blushes in my quest to get this look, to get that vibrant blush look. And so it really turned out to be, I don't believe it is the blush, it's the technique and it's the application. So although I have to say, now, of course, everybody was purchasing the Dior baby pink blush. This is called just pink, the Dior Backstage blush. So initially you might have seen that look with this blush, and yet still did it come out that pink for you? Like you might have seen on the runway on different makeup artists and models. It really never still looked that pink till I used my velour sponge. And specifically, I think this one from Face Made is just amazing because some of them are on the flimsy side, some of them are too big. And this one is just perfect. It's the perfect size. It's the perfect density. It has just a perfect amount of cushion in it because, again, some of them are flimsy and that won't work. And some of them are too big. And essentially, this one is just perfection for me. Now, a lot of sponges look like this in, shape, but they're not as thick. The velour is not as soft. So this one is really good, and you get about 7 of these for about $7 on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. So, because I did purchase some other ones and they looked like this, but they were not. They were flimsy and they just don't work as good. But anywho, let me go ahead and show you. Now, but I really want to show you this, guys, because I started using this blush from ColourPop. And with the sponge, you actually get much more of a vibrant pink blush look. So I want to show you, beauties, how you actually can save money and just pick up the ColourPop one, which is, I believe this is about $6 as compared to the Dior is about $39. So the ColourPop, I think, actually is much more pink. Now, this is all, going to work best if you have a complexion similar to mine. I believe this would work beautifully on deeper complexions as well, but in terms of the actual blush, I would have to try it on different skin tones. I can only speak for my skin tone right now, but this blush is so beautiful. I'm going to show you one on each cheek, so it'll kind of be drugstore versus high end. And I've already tried it out though, and I thought this one was just outstanding. So let me go ahead and show you. I'll show you the high end version first. So you just take your blush and your velour beauty sponge and just kind of, squeeze it together, make it a little bit of a taco, as they say. So, and then you just you want to be careful because it's going to come out very intense. So you want to just kind of start right about there, maybe not in the center of your face per se, but yeah, and then just tap it on. And it just comes out so vibrant. And then, you can keep going, but it will get that beautiful baby pink look. And this also works beautifully with peach blush. Now, I did use this technique with some Mauve blushes, deep blushes, and it didn't look that good. So I think you have to be careful which blush you use. But if you like this look, this technique and this sponge will definitely help you achieve that super duper pink, baby pink, bubblegum pink blush look. Now, let me go ahead and show you the ColourPop. So this is a new blush from ColourPop, and it's called Flamingo. And they also do have one in the Alice in Wonderland, the new Alice in Wonderland collection, which is also, it might be the same, it looks like the same blush, and it's so beautiful. And also makes the same effect. So here is the ColourPop blush. And again, I'm just gonna start a little back because it gets very intense. Look at that. Actually, I'm gonna have to use the other side of the velour sponge just to kind of take it down a bit. But what do you guys think? Okay, now that I have them on, both, one on each side, I can definitely say this is more pastel in color. This one has more of a blue undertone. So this one is actually richer and deeper looking. Yeah, so it depends what kind of look you're going for, because now this one is much more of a baby pink compared to the Dior. The Dior is actually, it's just a teeny bit, but it's a tad bit deeper, a tad bit more intense. In real life, I don't know if it's going to translate like that for you beauties, but it's, and also this is a stunning blush, and it's only about, like I said, about $6 to maybe $8 the most. And so you're getting the same look for so much less. So it's just an option if you'd like to try something a little bit less expensive. So this is pretty much it, beauties. Which side do you like better, the Dior or the ColourPop? The drugstore versus high-end? Let me know what you think down below. Have you been using a velour sponge to apply your blush? Let me know that as well, because a lot of you beauties said you have already been using your velour sponge for everything out there. And yeah, I don't think you could beat it. I wanted this look for quite a while. I was trying all different blushes. I wasn't really getting this look. And then actually, as you guys saw, I didn't even wear a liquid blush underneath. I was layering liquid blushes. I was doing the most to try to get this look. But actually, it's just the sponge. It's just the velour sponge that does it. But like I said, I did try this technique with a deeper blush, and it did not look good. So it doesn't work with every blush. So be careful. Be careful which blush you use, because it doesn't look good with every blush. So far in my experience, it's just this bubblegum pink blush that really shines and really looks outstanding with the velour sponge. So I'll have to experiment more, and I'll get back to you and let you know. But anyway, beauties, that's pretty much it. And before I go, I wanted to have our giveaway of the day. So today's giveaway is for a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card. Also in today's giveaway of the day is this ColourPop pressed powder blush, this plumping lip filler, What the Fake Extreme. Then these eyeliners from Undone Beauty, Clean Beauty at Ulta, more ColourPop pressed powder, that's the bronzer, Kate Somerville Skincare, Juvia's Place liquid blush, e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, REM Beauty liquid shadows, powder highlighter from ColourPop, more Undone Beauty, which again is Clean Beauty at Ulta, and this you could probably use, to bronze your eyes, your face. And here's something more like a blush tone shades, and you also get the highlighter. And here's a ColourPop bronzer, Ipsy bracelet, and a Clean Beauty mascara, also from Undone Beauty. So also today's winner will be getting the gift card and all of this. And oh, I have one more thing. Today's winner will also get this beautiful aloe. It's a beach bag. It's a huge bag. It's humongous. It's hard for me to show. Let me try to show you better. So it's just a huge tote bag. You could use it for school, for baby stuff, for the beach, for going to the gym. And you'll just look super chic and gorgeous like you already are. But, put your stuff in it and go. And it's very lightweight. It's almost like a denim material, but not really. But, it's really nice. So this will also be, it's brand new, so this will also be in today's giveaway. So just be a subscriber to take part in today's giveaway. Also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, and comment #GlamFam down below so that I know you want to be entered into today's giveaway. I'm having lots more giveaways. I'm just in the process of traveling. I have to go do some work thing, for my husband's work. And so I always say my husband work, and my husband's like, no, it's our work, but I really feel like it's his work and I'm just helping him, so but I have to help him so much. You have no idea. It's so much work. So that's why I've kind of also been, I haven't been able to get back to a lot of you beauties on social media, so I'm really sorry about that. It's just that I've been so busy. He's having me do, you can't imagine what the things that I have to do for him is crazy. So anyway, dolls, I hope you're all doing good. I hope you like today's giveaway. I hope this makeup pack has been helpful to you. Let me know down below. And I will see you beauties very soon. Bye.